In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower your bills with Rocket Money. If you find yourself overwhelmed with recurring payments and looking for ways to cut down on expenses, Rocket Money might just be the tool you need. Let's dive into a practical guide on how you can use Rocket Money to decrease those monthly fees and make your finances smoother. First things first, open your favorite web browser and head to the Rocket Money website. This is your starting point to access your account and all the features available to help you manage your finances. On the home page, you'll want to click on Sign In to enter your account. If you already have an account, simply provide your credentials and log in. If you don't, you might need to create an account, which is a simple process and just requires a few pieces of information. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. This is where you can see an overview of your financial situation. Spend a few moments here just soaking it all in. Next, we'll be navigating to the Recurring section. You'll find this option on your dashboard. Clicking on Recurring will bring up all of your subscriptions and recurring bills, giving you a clear picture of where your money is going each month. From the Recurring section, move on and click on Upcoming. This tab will show you any upcoming payments, so you can anticipate what charges are on the horizon. It's a simple yet effective way to stay on top of your finances. Now, for the crucial part, saving money. Find and click on Lower My Bills. This will guide you through a process where Rocket Money negotiates on your behalf to decrease the amount you're paying for services. They reach out to your service providers and work to secure a better rate for you. Once you click Lower My Bills, you'll see the option to Get Started. Selecting this button will kick off the negotiation process. Enter the provider from which you want to lower your bills and follow the prompts. Now, you'll need to enter your account details for your service provider. Once entered, Rocket Money will take over the negotiation. If for some reason you don't have your login credentials, there's an option to upload a bill directly. Click Upload Bill to submit your document for review. This handy feature ensures you're not stuck if you can't remember your password. And that wraps up our step-by-step guide to using Rocket Money to lower your bills. By simply following these steps, you're on your way to saving money every single month. So give it a try and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your bills are as low as they can be. Thanks for watching and happy saving.